I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong time. I done said the right thing, but it must have used the wrong line. I've been on the right trail, but I must have used the wrong car. Headed in a bad place, and I wonder what's good for. I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong time. My head is in a bad place, but I'm having such a good time. I've been running, trying to get hung up in my mind. Just got to give myself a good talking to this time. Just need a little brain salad surgery. I got to cure my insecurity. But I've been in the wrong place, but it must have been the right time. I've been in the right place.
The shocking moment caught on camera as a car careens into a tow truck at 50 miles an hour. Now we're learning the dramatic details behind the jaw-dropping crash and how the victims miraculously survived without even a scratch. At around the same time, emergency dispatchers get an alarming phone call.
Forward Emergency Dispatch.
An alert driver notices a car swerving across the highway.
He's still moving now.
Dispatchers able to see the swerving car on traffic cameras and realize it's on a collision course with that tow truck driver and the stranded family. With just moments to spare, they radio the truck driver, also a county employee.
Be advised, sir, we have a possible DWI that's coming into your location. Clear the lane.
Richards doesn't hesitate, pushing the family into their vehicle while he stands against a concrete wall, bracing for impact. Those dispatchers still watching on their monitors and gasping,
Oh, God.
fearing the worst. 5-10 seconds pass before they hear everyone is alive and well.
Get on out of here. 'Cause I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong time. And I done said the right thing, but it must have.
Burton thought he was safe, buffered by a state truck, arrow flashing. But somehow the driver of the black SUV skidded past all that and fishtailed onto Burton's tow truck, and very nearly onto Burton. But John says this is not the first time that he's experienced a close call like this. Burton remembers another day in 2004, just a few miles away at the I-10-I-65 interchange. While Burton made it to safety, the friend of the stranded driver did not.